Welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss about quartile deviation from a discrete series. This is the discrete series in which there is a marks column of marks given and the number of a student. It means the number of a student is the frequency in these questions. In the individual series there is only one series, but when we are dealing with discrete series we have the column of marks and the frequency. So now we'll understand what is the next step to find the quartile deviation. The formula remains the same, Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2, that is QD. Now you have to calculate a CF. CF is the first step to calculate. Here cumulative frequency. If you want to know how to calculate cumulative frequency, you can refer to the previous video, that is of median or mean, any other video. That is 4. 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 15 is 26. 26 plus 8 is 34. 34 plus 7 is 39. 34 plus 7 is 41. And 41 plus 2 is 43. So now this is the cumulative frequency. Now you have to calculate Q1. So Q1 here is n plus 1 divided by 4. Here you have to calculate n. So n is the total of frequency. So this is the total of frequency is 43. Now you have to put 43 plus 1 divided by 4. Here 44 divided by 4 means 11. 11 is the value for Q1. It means whatever where the 11 falls is the value of cumulative frequency. So this is the value 11. The item is, that is for the marks, that is Q1 is 20. So here we write Q1 20. Now we have to calculate Q3. So that is 3n plus 1 divided by 4. It means 3 into 44 divided by 4. Here the Q3 is 33. So now we have to look in the column of cumulative frequency where the number 33 lies. 33 lies in this figure. It means 40 is your Q3, because 33 falls under this figure, 34, under 34. That's why we are taking this. Now we have to calculate quartile deviation, that is QD. It means Q3 minus Q1. The value of Q3 is 40. Now just you have to put all these value into the formula. Q3 minus Q1. Here Q1 is 20. So we have to write 20 divided by 2. That is 40 minus 20 is 20. 22 divided by 2, that is 10. So quartile deviation, the answer comes out as 10. Now we will calculate coefficient of quartile deviation. The formula for coefficient of quartile deviation remains the same as individual series. That is coefficient of a quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 Q3 plus Q1. So here Q3 minus Q1, the same thing, that is 40. 40 minus 20 divided by 40 plus 20. So here that is 20 upon 60. When we calculate this thing, it means 2 is divided by 6. So 2 divided by 6, that is 0.33. So 0.33 is the coefficient of quartile deviation. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video, and stay tuned for the next video, that is of continuous series in the same quartile deviation. Please share, subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.